Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my recipe for making split pea soup. Now this is a recipe that I get asked about a lot on my Instagram, and I wanted to share it with you guys today because it's super easy to make and super affordable and super nutritious, especially during this crazy time that we're in. It's very good to boost your immune system, and all of these ingredients are awesome for that. So stay tuned and let's get started. Vegetables on hand, it's also totally fine, because the way that this recipe came to me, I just ended up using whatever I had, and I just really liked the combination, so I definitely want to share that with you guys today. I think what's most important are the spices for sure, the beans of some sort, preferably green split peas or lentils, and garlic and onions, and so those things are going to give it that flavor. The other stuff is just really nice to have. I also think it's important to have the serrano peppers or habanero peppers, but that's if you like a little bit of kick or spice to it, which I really do. I also forgot to mention that you're going to need an avocado, and you're also going to need a lemon, and this will come at the end for garnish, and will also give that additional flavor and texture, which will be really nice in the end. So I have my green split peas, and I never really measure it, but for you guys I'm going to measure it today. I'm going to use about a cup of green split peas. Let's see what that looks like. And look for anything, any stones or anything that looks like any grains or dirt that we want to take out. In the meantime, we will chop up our veggies and get everything else ready while the beans are cooking. So the first time I tried this recipe, I only had the stalks of the broccoli left, and I actually personally like to use the stalks for this soup. If you want, you can also use the heads as well and just cut it up really fine. Just cut up. Then we're going to add some of the mushrooms. They say that it's good to wipe them down with a towel instead of washing them. So we're just gonna chop these up as well. Chop them up finely so that it all looks very nice in the soup. Now I'm just going to prepare the onions and the garlic, because that we can actually put right now. I love garlic, and I don't think that you can really go too wrong with garlic. So I'll use about 3 cloves of garlic. And I like to press on them because, one, it makes the peeling process easier. Also, when you press on them, it releases an enzyme in them that is very good for you. If you have a garlic press, you can definitely use it. Onion. Similar to the garlic, I like to cut it into small pieces. I also use about 1/4 of an onion. The beauty about making a soup and using these ingredients is that it's really okay to experiment with the quantity of the veggies that you use. It's not like the soup will come out badly because you put a little more veggies, but in general it's good to start out light with a small amount of each ingredient to build and to see what balance do you like. I personally like to be able to have a nice balance between liquid and vegetables. Okay, so I think this is good. This might even be a little too much onions. So we see that the beans are cooking. Stir them up, okay. It's gonna take a while. You can also use a lid to speed up the cooking time, so I'm going to do that. And I'm going to leave it just a little ajar because otherwise the water just boils up to the top and overflows. I will now add my quinoa. And I'll just put it in there. The quinoa will also grow, and we don't want the quinoa to overpower the green peas. I will add my onions. We'll cut some ginger and include the ginger in there. I like to cut it into some wedges. And I like to try to smash it a bit because that way you can release some of the juices a little better. And yeah, I'll use probably about 2 of these. Now we will also add a little of the habanero. And a little goes a long way. You wanna not overdo it if you don't like too much spice, so maybe just like chopping up maybe 3 small circles and then chopping it up very finely. If you don't have serrano peppers or habanero peppers, you can also use just cayenne pepper, which I like to use. After the soup has been cooking for a while, you want to check it. Looking good. Okay. So now we're just preparing our garnish while the soup is cooking. And we're just gonna thinly slice a few pieces of habanero. We're also going to use lemon. I try to remove the seeds as much as I can. Then we'll have our avocado. For 1 serving, I'll use half an avocado, a slice of lemon, maybe 4 pieces of the serrano or habanero peppers, and then just some of this parsley. Around this time, I will lower the heat and I will add a little olive oil because olive oil just gives it that nice creamy texture. So the soup is pretty much done. As you can see, it still has texture. The beans look cooked through as well. I will just add a little more water. Alright. Now I'm just going to let this simmer on low to medium heat for another maybe 10 minutes. Looks good to me. as you can see, guys, the soup is very easy to make and see what it tastes like. So good. It's so good. It's so hearty. It has also a lot of the good fats for you, like the olive oil, the avocado, so you don't really feel like you're missing out on any heavy food. And yeah, it's just got really good flavor. So I hope you guys try it. Let me know what you guys think. I would love to know your experience. If you make it, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please hit a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys next time.